Today I'm going to try my fermented pickles. So I'll put the recipe in the comments. So these have been fermenting for 7 days. It's got a plastic lid with this kit and a breathable lid, so it kind of like burps themselves as they're fermenting. And then there's the glass weight that keeps all of the pickles below the brine. All right. They smell good, lots of dill, lots of garlic. All right, and definitely are not mushy, that's for sure. So let's give it a try. It's got a little bit of a sour element to it that I don't necessarily get when I'm canning my pickles. So now that I've opened these, I can't resist. I've got to eat another pickle, you guys. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but they're really crunchy. They're really good. Okay, so I picked some beets and I think I'm gonna try fermenting some beets with my little kit here. So I'm gonna wash this up. I'm going to put on a different lid and then these just go in the refrigerator to snack on and enjoy for months to come if they last that long. Thanks for liking, thanks for following, and don't forget to seed the day.